Electric vehicles have grown in popularity as the world is pushing for net zero carbon emissions. Hong Kong engineering scientist C.C. Chen, an expert in electric cars, believed it is time for the car revolution to move to a new phase.
电动化、智能化的方向有了，以后这个汽车联网以后，它不是简单的交通工具，它是把交通和能源和信息融合。智联网汽车既是机械产品，又是电子产品，又是电气产品，又是信息产品。
Chen, 86 years old, is an honorary professor at the University of Hong Kong and also the founding president of the World Electric Vehicle Association. In 1997, he was elected as an academician of the Chinese Academy of Engineering, the first person in Hong Kong. It has been more than 40 years since Chen started to focus his research on electric cars. He creatively integrated automobile, motor, control, and other technologies into a new interdisciplinary study, laying a foundation for the modern electric vehicle theory. At the same time, he has made outstanding contributions to the innovation of electric vehicle batteries, electronic control systems, and other core technologies, becoming the navigator of China's electric vehicle technology. Chen is well aware of the momentous course of China's scientific and technological development.
这现在3个空前为有。第一个呢，国家对科技的迫切需求空前为有。第二个就是国家对科学的爱护，一方面爱护，一方面期望，也是空前为有。第三个就是说，对我们科学家来说呢，发挥我们的才能的机遇也是空前为有。可以一定要跟国家的需求、社会的需求联系起来，看准方向以后一定要坚持。